Today is a dive dedicated to submarine canyon. These are important habitat for a variety of deep water animals. Several studies have shown that these enhance diversity and also abundance. There's been very limited work done on these kinds of habitats. Now, a lot of these places up here in the northwestern Hawaiian Islands were sampled in 1902 by the Albatross, this ship that was by many considered the first large oceanographic research vessel. They did close to 350 trawls down to depths of 3,000 meters. Hey, Chris.
Thank you so much for capturing beautiful imagery of this animal.
That animal is not in the Hurl Guide.
Yeah.
The immortal words of Taylor Smith. I have never, ever seen that one.
Excellent. This is exactly what we expected to find in a submarine canyon, which are notorious for having a higher density as well as a higher diversity of animals. They have been deemed to be hotspots of diversity. So yeah, that large anemone that's now in view, that is in the genus Exoselactus. The smaller individual next to it is unknown to us. It's beneficial for a lot of these organisms to get higher up into the water column, so they basically have more flow over the tissues that they can use to capture food. Spent about 4 hours now in the bottom, transit about 600 meters on this rift zone ridge, collected 2 biological samples which are going to be very valuable to analyze in the laboratory. The coral samples in particular are like nothing we've seen before in this region. For Papahānaumokuākea, for example, some rudimentary analysis and baseline inventories that were done suggest that we have about 7,000 marine species. About 25% are found nowhere else on the planet. As we're starting to look deeper and deeper, we're coming back with new species, new genera, and potentially new families. So really highlighting that we've only really scratched the surface, and it's the tip of the iceberg, and there is a lot of biodiversity that remains to be discovered.